welcome back to another healthy, happy Wednesday where we are going to talk about a new topic on health, which is acidity. Are you the one who's fed up and who doesn't know what to do with acidity? Then this live is for you. We are going to talk about foods, about acidity, foods, what to eat, what to not eat, what to do. You know, all the acidic troubles, we are going to address them today. And welcome to all the members who are joining in right now. And thank you guys for joining in. For all those who don't know me, my name is Dhwani Gala. I am the founder and owner at Oh Mind Your Body, where we deliver fresh homemade salads and sushi and teach you how to make some amazing sushi. Yay! So are you guys excited for the live today that we are going to talk about acidity? We have our very own dietitian Riya Doshi addressing all the issues based on acidity as to foods to eat, foods to avoid, what to do, what to not do. All the problems regarding acidity will be covered today. Hi Viral, thank you for joining in. Hi Jyoti, thank you for joining in guys. It's so much of fun to see you all. So if you all have any questions, you can shoot it and we will address them once all our question answers are done. And I am very excited to talk about this healthy Wednesdays that we have come across. We've decided to come live every day at 6 p.m. You all know, every Wednesday, and we discuss about a new topic about health and food. And apart from that, we already addressed them in our Instagram handles. We both put a post related to this live that's going to come up on Wednesday, so you can follow O_Mind Your Body, which is my handle, and the yellow bowl, which is Ria's handle, where they take a holistic approach towards health. So thank you guys for joining in. We'll just wait for Ria and we'll have her on board and we will start with our questions. I'm totally excited for this. Hi Rakesh, thank you for joining in. And we have her. We will take her live with us. Yes, our live will be saved. You can watch our previous lives as well.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Absolutely wonderful. You tell me.
Yes, I'm doing good. So we are people who are excited on our live to address this topic. Hi Jyoti, thank you for joining in. Yes Jyoti, we agree. Although it's a common topic, it's really very problematic and we are glad too that we chose it. So how have you been doing, Arya?
Absolutely good, yeah. Just dealing with the climatic changes. See, I'm just sitting, full AC, full fan, fir bhi garmi, can't deal with it.
Oh, really? I today cleaned my entire house and tell me about it. I'm so tired with this heat. Hi Komal, hi Sheetal. Thank you for joining in, guys. So we are going to talk about acidity. Let me just pin down these topics and we will quickly start with our questions and we'll shoot here with all our problems and she will answer them for us.
Bring it on.
I'm so happy that we, decided to do this thing where people really get a lot of benefits, I suppose, because there's a lot of information that no one would share, apart from us that we are sharing because of the experience that we have, your experience about 15 years in this field. And, like me studying about nutrition and understanding it at a deeper level really makes a lot of difference in the knowledge, the quality of knowledge that we provide.
So basically what we prescribe, you actually make it happen. Okay, and tastier and healthier. So that's the combination, right? So of course, yes, it is amazing. And see, yes, of course, this is a very common topic, and there is, flood of information. I would say there is flood of information across the internet. Okay, but you never know what is your body type and how and what you should be eating. So that makes it very interesting, and that only a professional can help you.
I agree with you. So let's quickly get started as to what is acidity here.
So acidity is basically a very uneasy feeling which your body doesn't encounter now and then. Okay, it is not a very common thing because of the regular occurrence in our body. We feel it is very common. Okay, It does not allow you, it's a burning sensation in your throat, in your stomach, in the food pipe that is called as esophagus. Okay, which through because of which you feel really, really hot. Okay, you feel heaty throughout. You cannot focus, you get headaches. Okay, you cannot just focus on your work, and you feel irritated, and people just keep on wondering, why are you so annoyed? Okay, so that precisely is acidity according to me.
Perfect. I think very well described. So, what are the foods that cause acidity, Ria?
See, I'll tell you.
What
Um
conditions? Like what conditions
Conditions.
or what foods cause acidity?
Yes. So basically, the condition that there are common occurrence of acidity mainly in people who are on antibiotics. Okay, because antibiotic is something that the stomach gets very, it suppresses the stomach, acids, and it really, really increases your acidic level, pH level in the body. And that is why with every antibiotic subscription, there is always an antacid, a
Right.
B complex and an antacid, because antibiotics are kill. So people are who are on BP medication, people are who are on diabetic medication, on antibiotics, maybe for tuberculosis or asthma, they have regular occurrence of indigestion and
Mm-hmm.
acidity. Okay, then kids who play a lot, who are into sports, okay, very actively into sports, okay, so they get people PMSing, PCOD, okay, so they have a lot of acidity. People who have long gaps or irregular eating habits, I would say, there is no fixed timing or defined timing for their meals, all right, so they have a lot of acidity. Okay. Then I would say people are night shift, because you are working in a schedule which does not suit your body. They experience a lot of acidity. Okay. People are handling stress, breakup or loss of any family member, or you are coping up with a loss. Okay, any kind of loss. So, and people who are constantly thinking, how to earn money, how to grow financially, they are also stressed. So, all these people, they encounter a lot of acidity. And not to forget people who cannot sleep well. That is, I will say, people with insomnia, okay, experience a lot of acidity. So, these are the people or the conditions, I would say, where regular occurrence of acidity is there. And this really needs to be taken care, because your nutrient absorption in the body gets affected because of high acidic levels in your blood.
Absolutely well addressed. I think no one tells us that the absorption of our vitamins and minerals get hindered, in having an
Absolutely.
acidic body or acidic pH.
You
So
know what?
someone,
Acidic, I'm so sorry to this. Acidic pH is the house or is the start of any inflammatory diseases. Okay. Inflammatory diseases, arthritis, okay, and to one extent, even cancer. So, if your blood pH needs to be maintained at the optimum level, ना कम होना चाहिए, ना ज़्यादा होना चाहिए.
right,
Okay, because that invites acidic pH invites a lot of diseases in your body. Obesity is also one kind of disease, inflammatory disease. Thyroid is also one kind of inflammatory disease. So yes.
so someone just asked pregnancy in acidity, like acidity and pregnancy. So in pregnancy also acidity is very common because of the hormonal changes.
Uh, Honestly, not because of the hormonal changes, but yes, pregnancy, it is a physiological thing, because your uterus is occupying the stomach area, and so your acid, it's more of not of acidity but of acid reflux. The acidity the juices are coming up. Yeah, so in pregnancy, I would say that maintain your posture. Even when you're sleeping, you cannot just sleep flat. You have to sleep a little elevated from your head. Okay, so that acid reflux is not there. Okay, you can check out one of my posts this week only. It talks about the positions you need to sleep. Okay, that applies to even acidity, even pregnancy.
I think, yeah. And someone has asked us, many people just cure the headache. Jyoti has asked us, many people just cure the headaches and not the acidity at times. Does that cause a pain in any other body part?
It may completely depends. Definitely, because you do take a painkiller. Okay, so that time you may not, but again, the acidity has to manifest in some kind of pain. So yes, of course, it can show. Okay, in any form. Okay, sometimes you might feel that people with high acidity they start losing hair. They have they have breakouts on their skin. Okay, so these are the
Right.
common things that happen, which we take that it is हाँ common है तो उसको ठीक करने की जरूरत नहीं है. But you know that is the time when this feeling comes. That is the time you need to address it.
So why do we need to take acidity so seriously, Ria?
As I just mentioned, okay, that it gives birth to major lifestyle disorders. Okay, diabetes. Okay, is also one kind of it not only it is not the pH problem only, okay, but extra carbohydrates in our body, the consumptions that we do, it's not only because of that, but it is also contributed. Okay, you take cardiac, you take arthritis, obesity, thyroidism, PCOD, arthritis, rheumatic arthritis, autoimmune disorders, any autoimmune disorders, and even cancer for that matter. Okay, so you cannot ignore that acidity, and you cannot suppress the acidity by just taking, uh, you know, uh, antacids. I know someone who used to take antacids. वो फ्रिज में बॉटल जेलोसिल की रहती ही थी, and it was a ritual to take a dose of gelusil after every meal. And I was surprised to see this. And you will not believe, the moment I changed the atta, the moment I changed the oil of that particular person, he actually left the वो मतलब फेंक ही दिया खुद ने हाथ से, because he was so fed up. They themselves don't like it, right? So yeah, so it is very important to,
In
and see,
cardiac,
it affects your mood, right? So irritated rahoge all the time. So if you don't want to be irritated because of your physiological issues, you have to take this seriously.
I wanted to ask you, in cardiac, can you elaborate what kind of cardiac problems like cardiac arrest or stroke or all of these things happen because of acidity? Like when your body pH is acidic for a long time?
Not see, it is not directly affected, but yes, indirectly. Okay, even the wrong type of oils when you have, okay, it contributes to the cardiac issues. In turn, gives you acidity and creates other problems, right? So any diseases that ends with itis, that says inflammation. All right. So that needs to be catered and taken care and taken really seriously.
I think, yeah, very well addressed. I think this information not many people will be able to share that we just spoke about, because it's experience that really counts into all of this, you know. No book will
Honestly,
say
I
anything.
have thank you. So honestly, I have made deliberate attempts to share things that is not much people are talking. Deliberately taking topics which not much people are
Right.
really addressing. So yeah.
So yeah, quickly let's understand what foods should you consume to prevent or cure acidity. Yes, Jyoti, we are
Oh
coming up to that.
yeah. So yes, there are many, but if someone is really facing this problem on a very regular period, okay, so they should be very careful about starting their day, okay, and the starting of the day has to be, a good. See, you know what? People feel that I cannot have hot water, I cannot have warm water when I have acidity. Whenever you feel an episode of acidity, have lukewarm to hot water. Trust me, it subsides your acidity. It subsides your acid in the stomach. So that is the first thing that you have. When you get up in the morning, you should do that. Second thing, you should soak black currants. जो मुनक्का आते हैं, black color के raisins या मुनक्का, black currants, whatever you understand, okay. Munakkar are amazing to control the pH of your stomach, to reduce the acidity and rich in iron also. So what you can do is you can soak them overnight, wash them thoroughly before you're soaking because mitti hoti hai usme bahut. Okay, so that is the first thing that you have in the morning when you get up. Now, when you soak it overnight, don't throw the water. Consume the water, eat the munakkas. Okay, इससे आपको सही मात्रा में भूख लगेगी. You will feel less acidic. Okay, and you will be refreshed and rejuvenated. और उसके बाद आपको जो लेना है, you can take. Now, suppose if you're feeling acidity throughout the day, there are two things that you can do. is आप jaggery खा सकते हो. You know, nibble of little jaggery. किसी को मीठा खाने का बहुत मन करता है. They have cravings. So after your meals, maybe after your lunch or after your dinner, you can definitely have your good. Okay, jaggery थोड़ा सा. हो सके तो organic jaggery लीजिए. That will be more beneficial to you. Okay. Another thing is fresh coconut. Don't put it anywhere, you know, just take a piece of coconut and just nibble on it. It will curb down your acidity. It will really help. Okay. अब किसी को you know खट्टे डकार आना, they really have a long time acute or probably a chronic issue of acidity. So what they can do is they can you know probably have aloe vera juice. Okay, which is you know you can choose a nice source of aloe vera juice. You can have that. Wheatgrass tablets, wheatgrass juices really detoxifies you to a great level. You can start your day with that. Okay, vegetable juices, vegetable smoothies. Okay, they help you. Anything that is raw and eaten slowly and gradually helps you. Okay, so दूधी है, कच्चा टमाटर है. Now, if you have पका हुआ टमाटर during your acidity, you will have more acidity. If you have पका हुआ प्याज, more in acidity, you will have more acidity. So make sure you having tomato and onion raw in acid. That will help you curb. So understand, you know, different cooking method, you know, changes the way you feel. Okay,
Yeah.
so these are a couple of things that I can tell you. Citrus fruits, nimbu pani definitely can be had, but with jeera and pudina. So that will really help you. So these are some of the foods which you basically can start having. Apple is amazing. Mid morning banana is amazing. In fact, कभी acidity बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाती है तो try a little apple at night. Okay, so these are certain things that I can tell you that you can have throughout the day. And I don't want to forget one thing is your gulkand. जो अपना traditional gulkand जो हम खाते हैं, not loaded with sugar, but you get some nice, or you can make that gulkand actually if you get the rose ka patti. That is amazing. I mean वो आप every meal के बाद भी खा सकते हो. Okay, so that these little changes will help you deal with acidity.
Perfect. I think very well addressed. And is there any ritual that one should follow according to you? For
Ritual, yes. Well, I'll talk about it in the tips when I'm coming. So
Okay.
there is a certain way where you can deal with acidity. I want to give those tips. Very small things,
Okay, we'll
but
talk
long
about it.
term.
We'll talk about it. So let's
Absolutely.
quickly see and understand. Do you think salads or vegetables or you know fruits can help in curbing acidity, like fruit salads basically? You think salads help in curbing acidity?
Absolutely. Absolutely. They are the ones that really help in curbing acidity. Okay. जैसे मैंने कहा कि you know sometimes what happens is your body, your stomach is not able to absorb a lot of raw food. मगर उस raw food को अगर आप आराम से खाते हो, if you are having raw food in every meal, like salads in both the meals or salad as a meal, okay, उसके ऊपर आप थोड़ा सा fruits or something like that, it will really help you. It will really help because as I said पहले भी मैंने कहा था no packet foods but the foods that live foods. Okay, so vegetables, salads play a major role when it comes to curbing down your acidity. You have to have because आप सारी चीजें understand whatever you're having throughout the day you're having cooked. But if you don't have something which is raw, then you know you will have difficulty curbing it. Your body को परेशानी होगी to deal with it. Okay, because there are certain enzymes which will make your intestinal linings very stronger, so that will really help you.
Thank you. So Jyoti is saying, does dairy product cause any sort of acidity?
Yes. Yes, absolutely. Okay, so I'll tell you. I have spoken this in the past, and I think I'm going to speak about this in every single episode that I'm going to talk. Okay, 80%, 80 to 85% of Asian population, and more so over Indian population, suffer from lactose intolerance. So what happens in lactose intolerance? You know, and around 60 to 70% suffer from gluten intolerance. Okay, and they cause a lot of inflammation in your body. So let's not talk about gluten right now, but I want to talk about milk rather. So आप जब milk पीते हो तो sugar, the lactose sugar, okay, creates an acidity. हमें ऐसा लगता है हम ठंडा दूध, it's a ritual, or I will say it's a myth, okay, that people do consume ठंडा दूध. Acidity हुआ, ठंडा दूध पी लो. ठंडा लगता है पीने में, okay, it is alkaline, you feel outside, but when it goes inside, जो उसका process है conversion का, breakdown का, उसमें there is a lot of acid that is released, which is not really good. In fact, वो acidity, stomach acidity को और बढ़ाता है. So definitely, yes, the answer to your question is yes, it increases. Now, you are asking about dairy products. I'm talking only about milk. Okay. Now, when this milk is converted to dahi, that is when you have fresh dahi, बिना फ्रिज में रखा हुआ अपने ट्रेडिशनल मटके में या वॉट एवर यूर कंफर्टेबल वॉट एवर बर्तन, बट डोंट कीप इट इन योर फ्रिज, या एक दिन पुराना नहीं, फ्रेश दही, दैट इज अमेजिंग. दैट विल नॉट कॉज एसिडिटी या जुकाम. सो गो अहेड हैव दैट. ओके,
And
मगर
buttermilk?
यही बटरमिल्क यू कैन हैव ऑफ कोर्स, सेम फ्रेश. आप उस पे बर्फ डाल दो, आप उसको ठंडा कर दो, आप पुराना ले लो, सो डेफिनेटली इट इज गोइंग टू हार्म. जुकाम भी होगा, एसिडिटी भी होगा, सब होगा.
Thank you for addressing that.
Yes.
So, well, last question I think. What are your 6 tips for or how to deal with acidity?
Okay. So the first and very important tip, okay, do not have long gaps between your meals. So the way that we are leading our life, most of us, you can sit and ask yourself a question that do I really have my food on time? आधा घंटा आगे पीछे is okay, but do I really have my food on time? और जब हम खाते हैं तो इतनी ज्यादा भूख लगी होती है, इतनी तेज भूख लगी होती है that you literally pounce on food and you have it so fast. So when you're having food in proper timing, it is very important to have or chew your food properly. So if you don't chew again, it causes acidity. बहुत छोटी चीज है ये. Okay, so I would say mindfully eating your food, enjoying your food is the ace and the most important point. Okay. Um, Second, I would say that जितना हो सके, जितना हो सके, okay, have your food or your water at least in चांदी का बर्तन. Okay, चांदी का बर्तन is antibacterial, the most effective antibacterial, and वो नेचुरली पानी को ठंडा करता है. इट क्रिएट्स, जैसे आप च्यवनप्राश खाते हो, ओके, सोना चांदी दोनों होता है, सो दैट इज अ रीजन व्हाई इट इज देयर. ऑलराइट, मगर आपके जो बॉडी है उसको ठंडा करता है, आपके दिमाग को तेज करता है. सो दैट इज समथिंग दैट यू नीड टू हैव. और कुछ नहीं, सी आवर चांदी का बर्तन आर नॉट मेंट टू स्टे इन द लॉकर, दे आर सपोज्ड टू बी यूज्ड इन द हाउस. सो एटलीस्ट व्हेन यू आर इन द हाउस, यूज देम.
I just removed my Chandika glass today and I decided I'm going to have water in that because
Wow,
I
what a
just cleaned my
coincidence.
house. I mean, my room.
What a coincidence, isn't it? ओके. थर्ड पॉइंट इज, अगर आपको बहुत एसिडिटी हो रही है, यू कैन आफ्टर हैविंग योर ब्लैक करंट्स, यू कैन स्टार्ट हैविंग जीरा पानी और च्यू ऑन कच्चा जीरा. ओके, दैट विल रियली हेल्प यू. That will really help you in instant. So जैसे मैंने जैगरी कोकोनट कहा, you can have that. But if nothing is available, every day जीरा पानी. In fact जो धनिया का seeds होता है, so धनिया and जीरा, they are both natural coolants and amazing effective coolants. Okay, so you can have that. Okay. Fourth is meditation. Okay, meditation is extremely important. Don't have food when you're severely stressed and you don't feel like having food. It creates a lot of acidity. आपको एसिडिटी नहीं है बट आप बहुत स्ट्रेस्ड हो but you having food, okay, you're creating an perfect atmosphere for increasing your acidity. All right, so रुक जाओ, थोड़ा सा शांत हो जाओ and then have food. Okay, so I was talking about meditation, 5 to 10 minutes of breathing, 5 to 10 minutes of cooling down once you get up in the morning. Once you get off the bed, helps you curb acidity. Trust me. Okay, there's a very simple exercise. You breathe in and breathe out. You breathe in through your mouth and breathe out through your nose. Okay, and when you're breathing through your mouth, you stick your tongue outside, okay, like this. Turn you and आवाज करके breathe in and then breathe out through your nose. Okay, this helps you anywhere. आप 5 से 6 बार भी करोगे ना, trust me, your acidity will start reducing. This is very easy to do, and you can do it anywhere, wherever you are. Even if you're lying down on the bed, you can do this.
Can you show it once again? What to do? How
Sure.
to breathe?
Breathe when you're breathing in, don't breathe from your nose, breathe from your mouth. Okay, stick your tongue out of the mouth. Okay, and turn your tongue. Breathe out from your nose. Yeah, you have to stick it. ये शेप होना चाहिए आपके टंग का.
तो जगह
You
ही नहीं
should
बचता
feel
है.
you should feel the air coming in. Okay,
अरे
the
पर
base
जगह ही
point
नहीं
is
वो टच होगा तो.
आप breathe तो करो.
I look like a maniac.
You're very conscious. You're very conscious, that's why. So nevertheless, I think you do this, and I give you a guarantee within 5 to 7 times of doing this exercise, you will see your acidity has started, reducing. Okay?
Yeah, I'm already feeling it.
गलत करके भी. Okay, you should be very careful about the sleeping position that you have. That is my last point. If you really have a lot of acidity, reoccurrence of acidity is really high, okay, or acute acidity, you cannot afford to sleep straight as everyone sleeps, either on the sides that you can check my post, or maybe a little elevated. Your head needs to be a little elevated. That will help. मतलब बहुत सारे लोगों को एसिडिटी होती है, खट्टी डकार आते हैं, those acid comes out of your mouth, like literally to your mouth, and you feel, oh my god, अब जल जाऊंगी मैं पूरा अंदर से, right? So that is the time you need to do this. Okay, you need to be very careful about the position of sleeping. So these are the few tips. Okay, and one of the most and important tip is, if you don't include raw vegetables in form of juices and salads, okay, I am sure that this curing your acidity is going to take a very long time for you. So it has to be a deliberate attempt to inculcate in your meals in some form. Okay, so these are the tips. Itna kijiye, and then also let me know how you're feeling.
Yeah,
Okay.
let us know both.
Yeah.
I would like to address something what you said about meditating and breathing. Honestly, it makes a lot of difference. Just being calm for 15 minutes a day makes so much of a difference. Not only with acidity, but I think a lot of other factors.
Absolutely, because and that pure I would say that pura jo rut of life hai, the moment you wake up, okay, I would also like to address one thing, not maybe related to acidity, but there's something that I really want to address. When you wake up, you are not hyper. You are naturally in a very calm state of mind. Okay? And up seedha. Okay, you don't even offer gratitude. You don't even take a breathe. The first thing that you reach out to is your mobile. Okay, the moment you reach your mobile, आपको पता नहीं है यार क्या news है, right? And you get into a immediate hyper mood. Do you understand how your body would feel inside? It's a shock, right? from a silent, normal, calm mode, jumping into a hyper
Yeah.
mode. So can we just avoid it for, just 15 minutes, 20 minutes, or at least half an hour the moment we get up? Ideally, 1 घंटा होना चाहिए. अब 1 घंटा बोलूंगी तो बोलोगे आप बहुत demanding हो. But at least start doing it for, 15 minutes to half an hour and see the difference. See the
This
difference.
is such a coincidence. You won't believe it. I just mentioned on my personal handle about, the things that I do when I wake up. And
Okay.
what you're saying makes so much of sense because there are like 6 things that I've listed, in general that one should do to practice a healthy and happy life. It's important to be
Ah.
mentally happy equally.
Exactly. In fact, I have just been, preparing for a webinar that is coming up, and I'm speaking about mindfulness. And this is something that I really want to stress. So I said, let's speak over here also, and it
Yeah.
could be even one person, and they apply and they start doing. I think, I am
I
sorting
totally
it.
agree with you. It's a
Dhyan
holistic
is
approach towards life, I feel, rather than just
not one
making one or
thing.
two changes. Yeah. And
Absolutely.
thank you so much, Jyoti. This really means a lot. Your acknowledgement is what we really appreciate. And Shalu is saying, please tell me something for constipation and gastric issue. We've already addressed this, Shalu. You can check our Instagram live videos. We've mentioned foods for constipation and foods for gastric issues. So you can have a look at those lives. And I'm sure you will receive some great tips from our very own dietitian, who is an expert, Ria Doshi,
Thank you.
and she deals with a holistic life approach towards a healthy and a happy life. And she's a master in the DNA test that helps you understand how to deal with your foods, what diseases you're prone to, or what you could be accustomed to, how to make changes. And I think she's the person to go to. And yeah, I think Ria, you hanged up. Hang ho gaya.
Real- Hello? Can you hear me?
Hear कर सकती हूँ but hang हो गया.
I'll log in again.
No, wait, guys. Okay. Yeah, I think we're just waiting for her again, and it was a very beautiful session. I really enjoyed this. Did y'all enjoy it? Shoot up your questions if y'all have any, guys. And I think we'll be closing in another 1 minute. दिन डलने लग गया देखो मतलब.
I am so sorry. I don't know what happened.
I don't know. It's okay. I was just mentioning that, yeah, I think we are pretty much done for the day, and you are the person to go to for, if they're really looking for a DNA test or anything like that sort, which really makes a lot of difference in our eating habits. Understanding your body from within and external makes a different approach. Your productivity increases. You just start becoming the best version of you.
Absolute. Healthier version, rather, I would say. Mentally, emotionally, and physically. So, yes, definitely. I mean, I don't know who was asking the question for constipation and bloating. Last two sessions, our last two lives were precisely on that. And this whole month, rather, we are talking about gut health. We're choosing the common topics that people are facing. So you can watch our IGTV sessions, okay, on Oh Mind Your Body handle and my handle. They're both there. In fact, you will also find posts with regards to this for the last 15, 21 days. You will find only on constipation, bloating, and acidity.
On
Okay.
her post, the
Yeah, on
yellow
my
pulse
on my
post.
account, so you can check that out. And despite of that, if you want to then ask, you can always DM me.
Yes. Thank you, Bansi Nirav. It was a pleasure doing this live with you, Ria. And thank you for being there and addressing.
Thank you.
And we'll be back next Wednesday with another interesting episode with another interesting topic, which I think a lot of people would want to know and talk about. And we'll be
You want
addressing
to
that. Yes.
you want to announce the topic?
Please go ahead.
Okay. So this last week is going to be a concluding week for the gut health. So I'm going to talk about gut health. Okay. So I've already spoken about constipation, acidity, and bloating. Next week it is going to be gut health. Okay. So you can join in and you can watch us live and ask questions.
Yes. Someone is Sushma Ghavte saying bloating. I think we addressed that last week.
We have addressed that last week, Sushma. Sushma, you can watch my IGTV. In fact, just last week I spoke about it, and you will also find information on my posts. Okay, so go ahead and watch it.
Thank you, Jyoti.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, guys, for being such a beautiful audience. And thank you, Ria, for having us
Thank you, me.
with you and answering all these questions.
It's a
I think
pleasure
it's getting
always.
dark and it is saying just go, bye bye. I mean, both of us. It's getting dark. I'm just going invisible now. Before I just
Are you
disappear, let
suddenly?
me log off.
Bye bye. See you next week, same time on this
Yes,
very handle.
guys. Thank you, Ria. Bye.
Welcome. Bye.
So here is it, guys. Signing off. Dwani Gala, founder and owner at Oh Mind Your Body, where we deliver fresh homemade salads and sushi across Mumbai and teach you how to make some amazing sushi. If you all had an interesting time, mention it in the comments. Follow us and enjoy the upcoming sessions that we have planned only for you. And let us know how do you like it. Bye. Take care.